Welcome everyone to this video. So what's the topic of today's video? You know what? Just one question. Today's video isn't going to be very long. Out of a lot of guys, this question was asked. Sir, is affiliate marketing better or paper marketing? Is CPA marketing better or paper marketing? So there's one thing I really want to make clear. CPM marketing and paper are actually very different things. But in a way, they're also kind of similar, but I'll compare them. So generally in affiliate marketing, what happens on ClickBank? On ClickBank, you pick up an affiliate link for a product. You take that affiliate link and start promoting it. You only get a commission when the product is sold. That's not how it works in paper. In paper, we don't do things like that. For example, yesterday my earnings were $234, and I didn't sell any product for that. Now, let me explain why I focus more on direct clients than on networks. If I had made that many calls to direct clients, then even in the worst case scenario, I would have had around 50 calls here. Alright, so just imagine based on those 50 calls, even in the worst case scenario, that's approximately $4,000 to $5,000. After making those, and if I had worked with a client, I would have ended up with a similar amount. So here, it's a pretty simple scenario. Look, the thing is, why is pay-per-call better here? In pay-per-call, we don't have to sell any product. Basically, what we have to do in pay-per-call is, in pay-per-call, we just have to promote. Any service member, like Delta, if we promote a flight service, then it's Delta Company. They give us their TFIN, toll-free number, and tell us to promote this TFIN through Google Ads. Whoever calls that number and books their ticket or does anything else. Whatever they do, whether it's any issue or support problem, it gets resolved. Whatever action they take is considered a conversion, and for each conversion, a pretty good amount is paid, around $22, $25, $28, $40. The company pays us this as commission, so here we don't have to actually sell any product. What do we have to do here? We just have to generate calls, and we get commission here based on each call. Now, if I tell you, out of 10 people, 8 or 9 are doing affiliate marketing. Maybe there's just one person who's doing pay-per-call, because the rest are into CPM marketing. So, the pay-per-call market is still untouched. The pay-per-call market is untouched. Now, obviously, a lot of people. I've shown payment proofs many times. Check out the previous video. I've even shown it by logging in and logging out. You must have seen these 4 calls for today. There will be even more conversions in the morning. If I make an upload a video right now, actually, it's pretty late. It's around 1:30 or 2 at night. Alright, so on a daily basis, we generate calls and earn here daily as well, okay? That's exactly what I'm telling you. That's why pay-per-call is better than affiliate marketing, because a lot of people have asked me this question. Sir, if you get a chance, would you rather spend money on Google Ads for affiliate marketing or do pay-per-call? And every time, I say I would go for pay-per-call. So that's why, the question you asked me, I've given you the answer, which is better. Pay-per-call is better, and affiliate marketing is better in its own way. So that's the answer. Now, the question that comes up here is, how can you take training from me? Yeah, so there's a simple way to get training from me. You can contact me on the WhatsApp number given below. And first of all, let me make it clear to you right here. It's paid training. This is paid training. Second thing, after the training, whether you do something or not, you will learn how to earn. I'm guaranteeing you this. After the training, whether you do something or not, you'll learn how to earn. Next question. How long is the training for? This training lasts for about 4 weeks. Next question. Is the training a recording or a live class? Basically, the training is a live class, and you also get the recording of that live class. We provide you with the recording of the live class. Alright, so what are we going to learn in the training? I don't reveal my topics because it's a dynamic method, and I want to teach you things in a dynamic way. I want you to learn those things in a proper manner. So obviously, I'm not going to list the topics here. The next question is, after joining the training, how much money do we need to invest? It's a journey. Let me make it clear to you. The price of my training is 10,000 Indian rupees. After that, you'll need to invest around 5,000 Indian rupees. Once you start getting results, you can reinvest your earnings. You don't need to make any further investment. Now, let's take the next question. If we're taking training for Google Ads, what is its cost? If you're taking such training, what is its cost? The cost for both is 10. If you're learning Google Ads Plus PPC, its cost is 10. If you're learning Google Ads Plus, Pay-Per-Call Plus, its cost is also 10. If you want to take both things, you can contact me for that. And I am going to help you on that as well. Whatever discount is available, that discount will be provided. How long will it take before we start seeing results? We will start seeing results within 1 week. Alright, and will we only work with, the network? No, when you join me, you will work with the network as well as with live clients. We will also give you access to clients and introduce you to them as well. Because I want your QCR rate, that is, your qualified call ratio, to increase so that your profitability goes up. That's what we want. How will approval happen in the network? The entire responsibility for getting approval is mine. Payment proof, live dashboard, everything. I'm telling you all of that here. Here, you will be given an end-to-end solution. From A to Z, it will be a complete end-to-end solution. Meaning, you just have to join. From joining to every single step, everything will be taught to you here, and you'll be shown such Google Ads messages and such hidden words of digital marketing that, I'll reveal in front of you. Things you can't even imagine. Okay, so that is the thing. Other than this, I don't think there are any more questions. I've answered all the questions. So, I want to say again, there is no recording. It's a live class. You will get the recording of the live class. The entire method is dynamic. That's why the topics can't be revealed. Alright, I've already told you about the investment. I've also mentioned the fees. I've laid out everything in front of you. You'll start seeing results within a week. And what are the class timings? If you are enrolled in PPC with Google Ads, the classes are on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 10 p.m. If you are enrolled in PPC, then the classes are on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Alright, Sunday is my day off. I don't take any classes on Sunday. Where will you get support from? If you face any problem, my team will support you either on Google Meet or on WhatsApp. If you ever want to talk to me, you can message me on WhatsApp. You can also write in the call section below, and either my team will call you or I will call you myself. So, this is precisely how you can effectively maintain open and consistent communication channels with us throughout this entire process. Alright, so that comprehensively covers the full and detailed overview of the extensive and valuable training program that we will be providing to you, ensuring you are thoroughly prepared.